CRM is costly only if you don't use it properly. And I think we should consider CRM as a necessary HR expenditure. Just imagine, why do we provide tea, coffee, chair, table, AC, computers to our team members? To increase the productivity, right? I think we should consider CRM in the same category. Most of the SME business owners think that CRM is very costly. वो लोग ना ऐसा सोचते हैं जैसे CRM is like अमीरों के चोचले. So they don't need it. They will need it when they grow big. But let me ask you one thing. Will you implement CRM to grow big, or you will grow big and then implement CRM? If you want to bring in culture or system or process regarding something, I think we should start it when we are small and then grow it. Let us examine this question whether CRM is costly or not from 5 perspectives. The best gym in my city is having a subscription cost of around 80,000 rupees per year. And I have two friends, Mr. Ramesh and Mr. Suresh. So Ramesh thinks that this is perfectly well and perfectly reasonable, while Suresh finds it very costly. So what is the difference? Gym is same, their quality is same, all equipments are same, services are same, but Ramesh and Suresh find it very different. So Ramesh is a person who is regularly going to gym. He will never miss a day. He will do all the exercises. He will also take advantage of all the freebies that this gym people provide, like a free dietitian and other services that they provide. Whereas Suresh will generally miss them. So let me give you another perspective to this. If Ramesh is going to go to Bajrang Vyayam Shala in my city, who are charging only 50 rupees per year, then also he will do exercise properly. Whereas I think Suresh will not do exercise for 50 rupees also and for 80,000 rupees also. Same is the case with CRM. If we are not going to utilize it, then it will always be costly. Even if you get free, it will be costly. So first we have to decide how we are going to use it and plan it properly. See, CRM can bring digital transformation. And let me tell you, digital transformation is not about technology. Digital transformation is about how our people use technology. There are two types of CRM cost, the hard cost and soft cost. Hard cost is something which you pay to the CRM vendor for subscription, implementation or training and customization, integration, etc. etc. And soft cost is something which you don't actually incur. It's a deemed cost, which is the cost of the change management in your organization. You'll have to do internal trainings, your internal processes will change, all the leadership team will have to change their way of monitoring and tracking the things. So there are these two costs. And soft cost is always much higher than the hard cost. And there is also one more perspective to this. If you don't get proper support from CRM vendor, your soft cost will increase significantly. That is the main reason why free CRM fails, because there is no support from the vendor. So when we are considering cost of CRM, we can also consider free CRM solutions, because in market there are two types of solutions, free and paid. So let me give you some interesting perspective why this free CRM is offered by CRM vendors. So you might be thinking they want to do some service to in the whole community or so. No, it's not like that. It is not even that they want to try give a trial to you. Actually, that's a proper lead generation mechanism and engine for them. That is the reason they provide free version or demo version or trial. But unfortunately, it doesn't work. So if you are comparing to go for free CRM, it's okay for you if you have lot of time, lot of technological knowledge and lot of managerial knowledge also. So if you are scarce in terms of time, never go for free CRM. Always get someone who will help you to implement and execute the CRM. Now many people request us for a one-time cost of CRM. They don't want to go for subscription cost. Now traditionally, especially in India, we all have been buying things like whenever we talk of technology, we talk in terms of hardware, server, laptop, desktops and these things, which are always bought once, and then you have a small AMC amount to maintain it. Unfortunately, in CRM, it is not like that. And why it is not like that? There are more than few reasons to it. First is CRM as a technology platform is quite complex. We can also say it's complicated. Lot of development is required and lot of expenditure in R&D is required. You can't ignore that. So the cost is high. You can't get it for one-time cost. Second reason is most of these CRM systems are integrated with lot of other third-party mechanisms like email, WhatsApp and lot of other stuff. So in order to keep this connected, your CRM has to be always on. That means it will have to be on cloud. So when it is on cloud, you have to pay for the data center and lot of other expenditure. That is one more reason why CRM cannot be for one-time cost. There is one more reason. See, your team is going to use CRM all the time. So CRM has to be available anywhere, anytime, on any devices. Specifically because most of the people are using CRM more and more on their mobile devices. So that also requires that your CRM has to be always on, hosted on a cloud, which is an ongoing expenditure. That is, I have given you 3 reasons why CRM cannot be for one-time cost. It has to be on a subscription cost. Finally, one of the biggest mistake people make is they consider CRM cost as an isolated cost. I don't think we should think like this. CRM cost is actually part of our HR cost. Just consider an example. Let's say if you have 5 people sales team and you are paying 30,000 rupees as salary to them every month. So that is 1.5 lakhs as a salary or 18 lakh rupees per year. Now just imagine if you have a proper mechanism, proper process, proper system for working, will the efficiency of these salespeople increase? Answer is of course yes. By what percentage? Generally a CRM can increase the efficiency of the team by 30 to 50% depending upon the adoption. So if there is something which can increase the efficiency by 50%, can't you spend 5% on it? I am talking of 5% of the salary cost. So by actually spending 5% of the salary cost, we are saving 45% because that is the net increase in the efficiency. Just think on this. CRM is same as providing chair, table, AC, computer, laptop, mobile to our employees. Nothing more than that. CRM is a very essential part of a salesperson's or a service person's or a sales team's requirement to function properly. Think on it. Once again, I would conclude that CRM is costly only if you don't use it. तो जम के यूज़ करो, तैयारी करके करो, it will be useful to you. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video.